Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram messages not sending. So to fix Instagram messages not sending, you have to try these reliable solutions. The first one is to check your internet connection, and to do that, you have to use some apps like Speed Test, or there is other apps to test your internet connection and to check if the internet is working or not on your phone, and also the speed of your internet. And as you can see, the internet is working properly on my phone. The second thing that you have to check is to restart Instagram and your phone. And to restart Instagram app, you have to open Instagram app. And after that, just swipe up, and after that, swipe up again. And like that, the app is closed. And when you open it again, it will open fresh. And you have to close your phone and wait maybe 1 or 2 minutes and open it again. The third solution is to check if there is an update for Instagram and that you didn't do that update. You have to go to search, look for Instagram, and as you can see, for example, Instagram is up to date for me, but if there is any update needed, I have to do that update. And also you have to check whether Instagram has limited your messaging if you made like some mistakes. And to check that, you have to go to your profile. After that, go and click on the 3 lines on the top right of the screen. After that, you have to scroll down until you will find an option called account status. Click on it. And as you can see here, there is no restriction for my account, but for some accounts, if you did like some mistakes or something like that in the app, Instagram may limit your ability to send messages. And also, if you couldn't still send messages, you have just to go to another conversation and try to send messages, because maybe the other person has blocked you or something like that. And another solution, if this still not working, you have to delete Instagram and install it again, and you have to long press on the app, click remove app, and go install it again in the App Store. And the last solution, if all those are not working, you have to go to Instagram again, click on your picture, click on the 3 lines on the top right of the screen. After that, scroll down, go to help, and click on report problem. Click again on report problem. Click again in include or don't include and continue. And here you have to explain what happened and tell Instagram what like option is not working on your profile, and send them screenshots if you can also. And that's it. I hope that you liked this video. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.